In this video, we're going to review a service that provides high-quality hemp superfood products. We're going to show you what's in the box, tell you how it works, and do a taste test. Hi, this is Michelle from Mealkite, where we review the best food delivery services to give you a sense of what to expect. Today, we're going to explore Manitoba Harvest, but first, let's see what we got in our box. So once we get our box open here, just FYI, all of their products are actually made from their signature high-quality hemp, which is in the USA. It offers plant-based protein, omegas 3 and 6, and then other nutrients like potassium and vitamin B1 and B6. So first thing up, their honey and oat granola, which looks delicious. 10 grams of protein per serving, which is crazy for a granola, and it's organic. Here's just a peek at the back here. So it shows you it has like honey, hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds. So this contains a lot of protein, fiber, things like that. It does have a little bit of added sugar, but really hardly any compared to most granolas you find out there. And we're gonna be tasting this today, so you'll see. Okay, next up is their hemp milk. This is an unsweetened vanilla hemp milk. I love that it's unsweetened. So many milk alternatives have sugar in it, which is really frustrating. You can see right here, doesn't have any of that. Okay, next up is the dark chocolate almond sea salt granola bars. I'm super excited to try these. The nutrition stats are out of this world for a granola bar. Seriously, I'm gonna show you the label. Okay, so check this out. Look at this. That is crazy for a granola bar. It's insane. I mean, 20% of your daily protein in one bar. Okay, next up are their hemp hearts. This is the organic version, but they have a regular one as well that's a little bit less expensive. They're both very high quality. You get 10 grams of protein and 12 grams of omegas per serving, which is really, really good for you. And these you can put on almost anything. I put them in my morning post-workout smoothie every day, but you can also put them on salads, yogurt. You could add them to pretty much any baked good recipe for added nutrition. Okay, here are their CBD oil 15 milligram soft gels. They have a bunch of different varieties of this too, with different strengths and different types too, so you can look at those. But there are a lot of benefits, a lot of health benefits to CBD oil. It calms your mind, it creates a sense of balance, and it restores your body after a workout too. And it's also THC free, so if you're worried about that, theirs is definitely THC free. This is their organic plant protein powder. Has 20 grams of protein per serving, although they do have a lot of different varieties of this. They have protein fiber mixes. They have a bunch of different ones that have different proportions. So definitely take a look at that if you're interested in the differences. It is unsweetened, and it's a great source of not just protein, but also omegas and fiber too. And last but certainly not least, we've got their organic hemp seed oil. This one also, they do have a non-organic version and also like larger and smaller bottles and such. So this one has a delicious sort of nutty flavor that works really well in room temperature dishes such as pesto, salad dressings, sauces, and dips. So that wraps it up. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test. All right, guys, before we get into our tasting, if you're enjoying this review, give us a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more reviews like this one, subscribe to our channel. So we are tasting the honey and oats granola with the unsweetened vanilla hemp milk. So 2 of their products. All we did is just pour the milk into the bowl with the granola, done. So first thing, you guys, I noticed the smell. The vanilla really comes through nicely. It's fantastic. It has like this sort of gentle, sweet smell that I am really digging. Take a look at it. You can see the texture is really nice. It looks like it's gonna be nice and crunchy. It has big clusters, which I love. It's not just a bunch of little loose pieces. Let's take a look at what it tastes like. Did you guys hear that crunch? I know you heard that crunch. That is a nice texture. Love that. It's like a granola texture, you know, with the crunchiness, but it's not overly so. It has like those puffs of oats and such, so it's really balanced. And the hemp milk has a nice texture too. The vanilla comes through nicely. It's a little sweet, but not super sweet. It's not cloying at all. Reminds me kind of like Honey Bunches of Oats, really delicious. I could definitely see myself eating that for breakfast, and I know my kids would love it too. Okay, so just a few thoughts about Manitoba Harvest. I would highly recommend these products for anyone looking to add a little bit of extra nutrition into their diet. Especially if you're looking to add omegas, fiber, or protein, these are great sources of those. Since there are so many ways of using their products, so many ways to kind of squeeze it into your diet, it's really great for kind of anyone and any type of dietary lifestyle. If you're ready to check out Manitoba Harvest, be sure to check out the link in the description below for the best deal. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.